Hi, this is Purnima Devi in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So in the class I have discussed about the what is class and how to create the class attributes and methods in that process. So in this class I have to discuss about what is an object. So the object is an instance for class. So the class I already said the class is a blueprint for creating an object. So the object is instance for class. So using that blueprint, we can create n number of objects. So this is just a blueprint. So we can include n number of attributes and methods, n number of design to create an object. So for example, so the class name is car. So using that car, so these are all the class name. So using that class name, we can create n number of car. So that is alto, some n number of versions is there. So n number of versions have different additional functions is to be included in that particular functions. So this is objects. So using that blueprint we can create n number of objects. So I have created an object for using some example. So now I create a class for bank. So public class. So I have created class name for account. So in this class name, under this class name, I have to create the attributes and methods. So this is the data type for creating the attribute string str account. So equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next one is str string str name. So the account name is ABCD. Okay. So the next one is string str address. So str address is Coimbatore. So in this class name account, I create an attribute, and the next one I have to create a method for this account class. So public void. So the method name is deposit. So I have to define the function as system.out.println. So the amount depositor. So depositor plus I have to print my str account number. So this is my method for deposit, and the public class. And the next method name is withdraw. So I have to define two methods under the class name as account. So system.out.println. So account withdraw in the branch. So I have to print str address. So these are all the class value. So I have to close my close the values. So this is my class account. I have to create my attributes, and these are all the methods deposit and withdraws. So now I have to create my object for this particular class value. So I have to create my main function. So public class bank. So in this class I have to create my object for the class name account. So what is the syntax for creating object is class name, object name equal to new class name. So in this I have to create the object for the class name account. So class name. So I have to create my object. So object account equal to new account. So this is my class name. So this is my object name, object ACC. So using that object I have to call my methods deposit and withdraw. So how to call my method is object name dot my method name. So deposit. So the next object account dot withdraw. So while I have to call these function, so using that object value, I have to call the function as deposit. So the output will be amount deposited in 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be printed. and the next object have to be called object account dot withdraw. So while this function has to be called, so this function will be to be printed. So this is the process for creating an object. So this is the class name and these are all the attributes. So the attributes can change based on the class name. So the next one is methods. So these methods can be called by using only the object name. So the object will be created only in the main class. Thank you.